A Dubai Metaverse startup secures $60 million, and a Saudi Telecom subsidiary is acquiring 3 European tower companies. You're watching The Daily Brief with Forbes. I'm Ramia Faraj. Bahamas-based digital asset investment firm Gem Digital has raised its investment in UAE-based Metaverse company Everdome to $60 million from $10 million. The funding will be used for product development, scalability, and growth to move Everdome from a conceptual, visionary project into its new phase of delivery and expansion. Last month, Everdome released its first beta version of an in-game experience, granting certain NFT holders access to an exclusive moon exploration experience in a multi-user digital adventure. Saudi Telecom subsidiary TAWAL has inked a deal with United Group to acquire 3 tower firms for an enterprise value of $1.3 billion. It strengthens the Saudi Telecom's major presence in overseas markets. The sale purchase agreement is for acquiring 3 tower companies in Bulgaria, Croatia, and Slovenia. The acquisition cost will be based on the SPA terms with debt, cash, and working capital. The deal will help TAWAL acquire 6,875 telecom sites across the 3 countries. Hong Kong shares fell sharply today on the back of major losses in Chinese firms. It was the 3rd straight day of losses on the Hang Seng, with Alibaba Group down more than 3%, internet giant Baidu down nearly 4%, and pharmaceutical maker Wuxi Biologics dropping almost 7%. The index shed nearly 2% at the close. Analysts say investors are concerned about the sustainability of the recovery in China and the heightening of geopolitical tensions. And those losses are reflected in today's Forbes Real-Time Billionaires ranking, where our biggest loser today is Chinese solar power billionaire Jin Baofeng, down $3.1 billion with net wealth of $6 billion. Our second biggest loser today is the world's wealthiest man, LVMH's Bernard Arnault, down $2.1 billion and still with net wealth of $241.1 billion. And our third place loser is Elon Musk, down $1.6 billion with net wealth of $173.3 billion. Check out our website and our social media for all of the latest Billionaires news. General Motors raised key 2023 profit projections today following a solid first quarter. Huge sales in North America compensated for declines in other regions. The big U.S. automaker reported profits of $2.4 billion. That's down 19% from the year-ago level, but translates to better than expected profits per share. Meanwhile, Samsung SDI is investing at least $3 billion to build a joint venture EV plant with General Motors in the U.S. Targeted to start in 2026, the plan aims to have an annual production capacity of 30 gigawatt hours. The company said the location of the planned JV plant is not yet decided. South Korean prosecutors have indicted the co-founder of Terraform Labs on multiple charges, including fraud. It comes after his company's dramatic implosion last year, which wiped out about $40 billion of investors' money and shook crypto markets. Daniel Shin, business partner of disgraced South Korean entrepreneur Do Kwon, was indicted alongside 7 alleged accomplices who worked at Terraform Labs. Prosecutors say they're charged with violating capital market laws over their promotion of the Luna and Terra cryptocurrencies. And Spotify has crossed the $500 million mark for monthly active users for the first time, helped by its expansion into more markets. The number of monthly active users rose to 515 million in Q1, beating Spotify's guidance and analyst forecast of 500 million. Premium subscribers rose 15% to 210 million, topping estimates of 206 million. Spotify last year laid out plans to get 1 billion users by 2030 and to reach $100 billion in annual revenue. I'm Ramia Faraj. This is The Daily Brief. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.